As preparation for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections intensifies, political parties are leaving no stones unturned to reach out to the public and are going all out campaigning. From seat sharing announcement to making an ideological shift right before the Lok Sabha election, here's what made headline on April 9th. Let's have a look. Ending days of speculation regarding the seat sharing arrangement in Maharashtra, the Mahavikas Aghadi has finalized the pact with Shiv Sena, faction contesting on 21 seats, NCP faction on 10 seats and Congress on 17 seats. Maharashtra has 48 Lok Sabha seats, the second highest after Uttar Pradesh. NCP chief Sharad Pawar, Shiv Sena leader Uddhav Thackeray and State Congress President Nana Patole announced the poll pact for the 48 parliamentary seats in the state at a press conference after weeks of negotiations. The Lok Sabha polls will be held in the state in 5 phases from April 19th to May 20th. Former Union Minister Birinder Singh along with his ex-MLA wife Prem Lata on Tuesday joined the Congress party in Delhi. Singh, who was the Union Minister for Steel in the Modi government, and his wife resigned from the Bharatiya Janata Party on April 8th. Their joining comes a month after their son Brijinder Singh joined the party after quitting the BJP. Birinder Singh, 78, is the maternal grandson of the farmer leader Sir Chotu Ram and had quit the Congress in 2014 to join the BJP. The Delhi High Court on April 9 dismissed Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's plea against his arrest in the liquor policy case, saying all the material collected by the ED revealed he was actively involved in the use of proceeds of crime, said the High Court. After the High Court verdict, the AAP said it has decided to move the Supreme Court on April 10th. Raju Wagmare, a spokesperson for the Maharashtra unit of Congress, on Tuesday quit the party and joined the Shiv Sena led by Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. He joined the Sena at a function at Anand Ashram, former residence cum office of late Sena leader Anand Dige. Speaking on the occasion, Shinde said the party will benefit from his experience. Wagmare would be a deputy leader and spokesperson of the Shiv Sena, he announced. Congress leader A.K. Antony on April 9 said his son Anil K. Antony, who is contesting as BJP candidate in Pathanamthitta Lok Sabha seat in Kerala, should not win the election. Addressing a press conference, Antony also said that his son's party should lose. Congress is my religion, said the veteran Congress leader.